trade. RBI has begun testing the digital rupee. 9 banks are using the digital currency starting today to settle secondary market transactions in government securities. This is a pilot project and HSBC is participating in it. The CEO Hitendra Dave confirmed to me that the transactions have started taking place. Take a look.
No. So I think all you have to do is travel around the world to realize just how lucky we are, at least when it comes to payments and digitization, right? I mean, anywhere in the world, you cannot move small amounts like 50 rupees, 5 rupees, 25 rupees, free of cost. You everywhere in the world, you see QR codes everywhere, the ability to make payments directly with, I want to make a payment to Shireen. I just need your mobile number. That doesn't happen in too many parts of the world, small shopkeepers or whatever. And that is the data, right? This is something which I think in the last 5-7 years, we've just leapfrogged the world. We've gone from being maybe behind the world to now at least being a generation ahead, and that's an advantage we must drive home. And as more and more people become digitally savvy, it opens up opportunities to the point you're making for businesses to be able to deliver goods digitally, electronically, receive money electronically or digitally, etc. Because the consumer is already used to it. We talk about 6.7 odd crore UPI transactions in the month of August, which is like just enormously, or September, enormously large numbers also. So I think it's there on digital currency. I'm very pleased to share that HSBC is part of the pilot that the Reserve Bank of India is carrying out. In fact, transactions have started taking place already as we speak. As we speak, I know our team is undertaking the transactions that were listed in the announcement that was made yesterday. So yeah, I think digitization, the ecosystem that the authorities have created, open architecture, this has profound implications linked to the credit story that we spoke about, linked to the household income growth that we spoke about. And this combination, I don't know what more we could ask from the authorities on this count. I think it's now for us as the private sector to make sure we monetize on this really open architecture resource available to make sure we deliver better goods and services to our customers.
Any appetite for any M&A here in India, Hitendra? The government is looking at the possibility of putting some banks on the block.
I can answer that question directly in the sense because I know what you're alluding to, but I think you're aware that we are at an advanced stage of concluding our acquisition of Larsen Tobro's investment management division. So I think that's about literally 3 weeks from now or so, where we will merge the 2 units into one. We have an insurance company where we have a stake and where we are potentially examining whether we can discuss with our partner banks in terms of what the shareholding structure going forward should be. India is a very, very exciting market, and our management team and our board is clearly conscious of the opportunities here. I don't think we're going to say, yes, we are open to everything. We are not going to say we are close to anything. I think it will be case to case, but I'm almost certain that we will have more action in India than in many other parts of the world.